Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. In today's lecture, I gonna share about how to use momentary button and how to link tag on momentary button of Studio 5000. Do you want to use HMI button to not control your PLC tag but also give instance visual feedback on color? New on my YouTube channel, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss new update. In this video, I will show you how to use momentary push button in FactoryTalk View Studio and link it to PLC tag and color animation so your button change depending on your button color will be changed. So your button change color depending on state. If you don't know how to create it, how to use toggle button in FactoryTalk Studio and how to link tag on toggle button from of Studio 5000, then you can watch my old videos. I was explained simply. So what you are going to do first, what you have to do first in Studio 5000 Logic Designer, create a bool tag. For example, here first you have to create a bool tag. So how you can create a bool tag? Here simply main program. It is a main routine, not its subroutine. If you don't know about basic, so on basic I was already created video. So you can visit on my YouTube channel and you can watch basic videos. So next is directly I will come back on topic. So click on you need to take a run. Example, here is a new run. Click on run. Run is added. Then you have to take a examine O, XIC. It means examine O, and you have to write any tag name, not button 1, 2, 5, any tag. Example, sensor 1. Example, button. If you created already a tag, so no need to write more. Whenever you will write first letter of the tag, so tag will come, you need to change only last characters of the tag. So you can change here 1 to 2. Either you can change 1 to 5 and hit enter button. Next, you have to take a, and no, not. You have to take a examine output energize. So how you can take? Simply click on it and here you can write. Now here also here you can write motor 6. You observe if you observe here, I was already created motor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see. So 5 tag already created and I write it here motor 1 motor. So automatically it's taken motor 1. So no need to write again total tag. I want to change. I want to change only 5 to 6. Simply hit a enter. Then for the add a tag. Next, how you can add tag? Right click on it, new tag button, control and create new tags. Right click, new tag and create a new tag. So tag has been created. Next step, save. So step number 2, download. You have to download program into your emulator because I know you don't have any PLC. I don't have also any PLC. So you are using emulator. So simply you can use emulator according to, if you don't have any PLC, simply you can use emulator 1756. So simply you can use 5868 emulator. Next is click on communication. Here you can see who active, click on who active. And one thing, if you already done communication, your software is already communicated with your Studio 5000 Logic Designer. If Studio 5000 Logic Designer is already communicated with if Studio 5000 Logic Designer already communicated with Studio 5000 Logics Emulate, then you don't need to do more. So you what you have to do, you have to download. So how you can download? Simply already communication done. If in your PC communication is done, then no need to do more. Simply open RS Links Classic. Its driver means, like a car driver. Driver is using a driver is driving car, same like a RS Links Classic is driving both two software, Studio 5000 Logics Emulate, Studio 5000 Logics Designer, and one more software. Not both two it means without, if we are talking with, if you are not using Emulate, then okay, two. If you are not using Emulate, then two, otherwise more. So it's driver. So so Ethernet communication and other communication, if you want to do, if you want to do communication between FactoryTalk View Studio and FactoryTalk View Studio and Studio 5000, so you have to use driver like a car driver, taxi driver, and bike driver. I was added Studio 5000 Logic Emulator, but here is not showing. Why is not showing? How it will come? So here, because of Studio 5000 Logic Emulator is not open. Whenever Studio 5000 Logic Emulate will be open, then also you can browse RS Links Classic Studio 5000 Logic Emulate. So double click on it. Studio 5000 Logics Emulate, it should be so. So you can see here backplane 1789 A17 A virtual chassis, it's showing. You can see slot number 2 Studio 5000 Logics Emulate showing on slot number 2. Now communication is done, it means you can download. So simply click on communication and who active. Simply it's already browsed, because previous I was downloaded on same part number, same emulator. That's the reason it's automatically browsed slot number. So no need to do more. So you need to click on only download. Click on download. So whenever I will finish this series, Basic Studio 5000 Logic Emulate and FactoryTalk View Studio, then I will start how you can create a pop-up and add-on and how you can create a UDT, because UDT is the most important in Studio 5000 Logic Designer, and parameter passing, UDT, reporting, alarm, trends in Studio 5000. Whenever I will finish this topic, एक वीडियो प्रॉपर बना देंगे. टॉपिक आ गया ना, व्हाट नेक्स्ट. Now program is downloaded, but what is the state of controller need to be know. What is the state of controller? State of controller is it's again showing the in fault mode. Then what you have to do? Right click. Now it's not is now what is a state of controller? It is a not is fault mode. It is a battery fault. So no problem. Battery fault you can whenever you will restart your PC or some. So it's battery fault. It's no. It's long. It's not any big fault. So you can run. So now program is running. Click on save. You can see here online tag value may be changed. Maybe since the last upload, online value may have since the last upload to ensure the current value are saved. You should upload them. You should upload them. Upload tag value before saving project. If you want to upload whatever value inside of logic, so you can click S. Next step, add a momentary button in FactoryTalk View Studio. So open your software. You can see so how you can create a button and how you can link tags. Click on display. इसके बाद में चर्चा करेंगे बाद में click on display. Here you can see button page. I was created this page. If you don't know how to create page, how to do settings on this particular topic, already I created a video. So please, you can see, you can watch them and you can learn. Open your screen. No, just click on it and drag it and like it, drop it here. Then one pop-up is open. So what is saying this pop-up? You have to know because you are going to do you have to know because you are going to connect this tag. So in the first box here simply you can apply box rule and you can learn very easily. Here you can supply one box, right? This is a box. Appearance in the one box. It is inside of one box. So in one box is border appearance. What is border appearance? Raced, inset and line. Any border appearance, any border appearance, any border appearance you can select. So I selected raced, inset. It's combination of raced and inset. Border width means width of border. You can give any whatever you want 2, 4, 10 and border use back color. It means you can use back color, border color like a back color. So now what is the back color of button? So button back color is now blue. Then if you want to change, so untick and whenever you will apply, you can see changed. You can see changed border and shape both is changed. So next is solid. If you want to solid, then select solid. Otherwise, if you want to gradient, you can select gradient. In the solid, you can use only one color, but in gradient, you can use multiple color. It means only two color. Multiple color means two color only, and you can and transparent. How you can change and how you can change and how you can set gradient color. So you can how you can change and use gradient color in the next what is in next box. So in next box button setting, normally open, normally close, either value. So if you are going to use, it means button action will be normally open. It means in normal condition it will be open, means now button is normally open. You should take normally open and hold time. It means if you select, whenever you will select 30 500 millisecond, it means to hold your finger on mouse 500 millisecond. Then only operation will, then action will be never happen. Next is touch margin. It's not most important, but if you want, then you can give some margin of touch left, right, top, bottom, vertical and horizontal margin. Audio. Next box is audio. Whenever you will select audio, whenever you will select audio, then after that, when you will click button in the runtime, so in the runtime it will give a one audio. In runtime, button will give one audio. Next is one totally one journal option is completed. So you can click apply. Next state. So here, because it's momentary button, so you can use only two state, either 0 or 1. So example, here it's also journal and one box. So you can select one box. Here in gradient color, I already told, I already told how you are going to use gradient, how you can use gradient color and how you can implement. So now you can see gradient color. So here is start color example red and end color example any one color you can select blue, dark blue, and use vertical. You can use four color in vertical. Horizontal, you can use horizontal four color. It means you can see here style. खींचो, खींचो, खींचो. You can see here style, and whenever you will select horizontal to vertical, in vertical also style. So now I'm not going to deep because it's already spent. So you can see all video and select any color and close. Select any color and select any color and you can click on OK. Blink, it will automatically whenever you will click. If you will click on blink, so blink will be button will be blink automatic. No need to do anything. Pattern color, because you not using any pattern, so no need to use pattern color because here is many type of the pattern. Here many type of the pattern. You can use pattern color, but you not selected any pattern, so you don't want to use pattern. And next box is caption. In caption, what you want to write? Example. You can write simple, momentary, momentary button. Insert variable, it's very important topic, but I will cover this is insert variable how you can use in later in advanced topic. And font, you can use any font, example Rockwell. You can use any font. I'm not telling you can use any font, not only Rockwell. And size of font, you can choose any size, and if you want then you can select bold, italic and underline. Bold, italic, underline. Caption color, so select on caption color you want, you can choose any color, either red, yellow, green. Example, you can choose sky blue. And caption back color, no need to use caption back color. If you want then you can use caption back color, but when you can use, whenever you will select solid, then also only then you can use, केवल तब आप प्रयोग कर सकते हैं, only then you can use caption back color. either you cannot use. Transfer. Caption blink. I I already explained blink, background blink. The same thing for caption blink. When if you will select caption blink, if you will select caption blink, so caption will be blink. Caption will blink automatic. You no need to write any script or no need to give any animation. Image, if you want, you can use image also, and it's image setting. So now I'm not going to explain anything about image and common. In the common, you can see its button look like this, and you can change color of text. It's not looking good. Okay, Momentary is looking good, and tell 14 bold. Now it's looking good. And common, in common you can select normal in size, height of button, width of button, top means where it's placed now where अभी आपका बटन अभी ये बटन कौन से स्थिति में है. Now this button is in which, now button is where placed in screen. This is a top of left, top and left. Name of button is Momentary but push button 2. Tool tip, it's good topic and it's very important. You can write Momentary, then apply. You can write Momentary button 1. So about tool tip also, whenever in runtime, whenever your cursor will over on, जब आप जब माउस कर्सर के ऊपर जाएगा, रन टाइम whenever mouse will on cursor, so then momentary one test will be so near about button. Next and last step is, last action is color. In the color you need to next and last state is connection. In connection you need to browse tag, पहले हिंदी फिर इंग्लिश एडिट कर देंगे हिंदी वाला. Here you can see FTB Studio. It is a server of, it is a project means it's server of FactoryTalk View server name. Click on online. So here you can see all tag whatever you created in Studio 5000, but you now you don't want to need, you don't need all tags, you need only one tag. So you can select Momentary button, but which tag you need to take? Momentary button, not button 5. So click on button 5 and here click on OK. Okay, one action is completed. Second, color animation for copy and paste rectangle, because no need to take again and again rectangle. Align, right click, you need to give color animation, color. You need to select color animation. So it was, I was taken in previous video, so I need to delete this tag and need to click expression, need to click tag. So which tag you are going to use? So you can use any tag whatever you created tag in your logic. So I created 6, so I will use 6, motor 6. Okay, and check syntax is valid or not, then click on OK. Here you can change line color, example black, and in zero condition should be red. Apply, close, then save. In last stage for testing, because you developed logic, you develop button and rectangle, you need to know it's working or not, because you given effort, you learning. So you need to know you are going to right track or wrong track. So how you can know with fact? How you can know with fact? How, where is your fact? So simply you can open a runtime server. So I already created a runtime, so I no need to create again and again. I will open directly. If you don't know how to create a runtime server, so you can visit on my YouTube channel and you can watch my latest videos. Button, so it's showing near button and caption. You can see capture cursor. Now now it's showing capture cursor. So now whenever you will press button, so because it's because you choose you during development, whenever button will press, it will become normally open to normally close. So now see how it's working. Now you pressed, and what is the color of button? You can see. Now you can see, now you pressed. Now I am going to press, and please observe and make, please observe and always remember, please observe and do same thing in your SCADA and your PLC. I'm telling again and again, because you can motivate yourself, because I was once upon a time I was do same things. So I am creating a video, so you can also learn, but please don't create a video. So now you can also learn. If I cannot learn, then you can also learn. Now it's you can see it's color. Now you can see color of rectangle is showing green. And now let's make button respond with color. Right click, not. Whenever press a button, so button color will change. You can see button color is changed whenever you will release button. Whenever you will release momentary button, then button color will be come back on last same stage. And in logic you can see now button color, motor type should be 0. Now you can see it's 0. It's 0. And during press, I press now. Now I cannot show because 1 minute. So you can see when I am pressing button, so on same time color is changing and logic output is energizing. So thank you for watching my video. So now when the operator press button, it will, when you will press button, will be change color. So thank you for watching my video. If you learn from my video, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss new update Rockwell software. I will see you next video. Till now, keep watching, keep learning, keep growing, and in future please keep learning. So now keep watching, keep growing, keep watching, keep learning, keep growing, keep earning, and please never forget, keep sharing for help to other, whatever